Hey guys, so I got a really nice Smith Corona Comet automatic to show you guys real quick. I just replaced the Platon on it, or Platon, however you want to pronounce it. I was recording another video of it, but some of it didn't save correctly, so doing my best to recreate it real quick, but there we go. So I replaced it with some shrink wrap that works pretty nicely. I had a before for the sound of the typewriter, but unfortunately that's what did not save correctly. So here's your after. I don't have a before for it, but roll some paper in. Hold on. I was doing it one-handed there. Here we go. Pretty awesome. It's working nicely.